Today on Cookin' by the Book, we're making Thai shrimp curry from Darren McGrady's cookbook, The Royal Chef at Home. Hi, I'm Bernadette Catherine, and I'm a country singer who honestly has no business starting a cooking show, but I love making food for people, and I have a giant collection of cookbooks, which, if you look right over there, yeah, that's just a small part of it. So, let's get cooking by the book. The recipe in this cookbook makes a dish that serves 4 people. I've never made a curry sauce from scratch before, but this recipe claims to be quick and easy to make with bright flavors, and when I was deciding what to make this week, it just seemed too good to pass up, let's be honest. So to make this shrimp curry, you will need white rice, water, sesame oil, onion thinly sliced, red bell pepper cut into bite-sized pieces, minced garlic, chopped fresh ginger, or in my case ginger paste, peeled and deveined shrimp, red Thai curry paste, 2 large tomatoes, diced, brown sugar, Thai fish sauce, crunchy peanut butter, garlic chili sauce, I chose one with a mild spice level, chicken broth, a can of unsweetened coconut milk, lime juice, fresh chopped cilantro, and green onions finely chopped. We'll also need a medium saucepan and a 12-inch skillet along with serving and stirring utensils. First, let's cook the rice. In a medium saucepan, add 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water and bring to a boil over high heat. Once it's in a full boil, lower the heat to a simmer and cover. Keep the heat low enough that the rice maintains a gentle simmer, not a boil, until the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. This will prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pan or being undercooked. This should take somewhere between 15 to 25 minutes, so make sure to stir occasionally. Next, let's make the curry. In a 12-inch skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil over medium heat and add 1 cup of thinly sliced onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh ginger, and cook until the vegetables begin to soften. Then stir in 2 pounds of shrimp and cook until the shrimp are opaque and pink. That should take around 4 minutes. Now we're going to stir in a 1/4 cup of red Thai curry paste, 2 large tomatoes that have been diced, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of Thai fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of garlic chili sauce. Then add the chicken broth and coconut milk and let it simmer. When you're ready to serve, add salt and pepper to taste and stir in 2 teaspoons of lime juice. All that's left to do now is put it all together. Ladle the curry over the cooked rice and top with fresh cilantro and green onions. Let's try it. Ooh, there's so many different things I could try. Let's get some of that. Let's try it. That is so good. This is an interesting recipe because you can taste the sweetness from the coconut and the tomato and that brown sugar, but it's just kind of there. It's not loud in your face, but it's just, you know that it's there because it's just the right amount. And then the spice, even though we put a ton of chili paste and chili sauce and so much stuff that you would think would be super spicy, it's really not. It's very tolerable. It's very good. It works very well with the sweet. Oh, and the lime juice and what else is there? Did we put in? The lime juice and the tomato make it it gives it a bright flavor. I want more. Be careful, I might eat all of this on camera. That rice is just perfect. I mean, it's not too, it's fluffy. It's so fluffy, and it's not too crunchy. It's not too soupy, because that's happened before. It's just perfect. That shrimp is amazing, by the way. It's not rubbery. That's perfect. Honestly, this entire dish, it kind of reminds me, I am a singer, so I have to go into a little bit of music. Kind of reminds me of like the perfect harmony where you have like 3 parts going at once and they're each different. You got low, medium, high, but they're just so intricately woven together that you can't distinguish an individual voice. That's kind of how this curry tastes. It's kind of amazing. This is a really interesting cookbook for 2 reasons. The first reason is actually the layout of the book. The recipes inside are sorted by season and celebration, which means if you're planning a get-together, at least you have the food part taken care of. The other reason is because of the author. Apparently, Darren McGrady was the personal chef to Princess Diana and the royal family, which makes the title of the cookbook make a lot more sense. The recipes inside draw on his experiences and techniques from when he worked as the royal chef. So, if you're looking for a cookbook that can help you plan any sort of celebration ranging from Easter to 4th of July to Mardi Gras, or you just want to make some really yummy food, no matter what season it is, which honestly, that's what we did today. The curry recipe actually came from the fall section, but it just seemed too good to pass up, and I was right. So you might want to give this cookbook a try. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in my kitchen for this episode of Cookin' by the Book. I had a lot of fun making this dish, and I hope you had just as much fun following along. If you're interested in trying this recipe out, you can find the ingredients and the directions in the description below, along with a link to the cookbook, The Royal Chef at Home by Darren McGrady. Don't forget to share your cookbook recommendations in the comments below, whether you're curious about a cookbook or just want me to try a recipe from your favorite one. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you do try the Thai shrimp curry, let me know how it turned out and tag me on Facebook or Instagram with your photos. I would love to see your interpretation. Don't forget that I'm also a country singer who loves classic rock and classic and modern country, so make sure to check out my original music on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to follow both my music and Cookin' by the Book journey. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!